Hello everyone, this is an update on my first Chanel purse purchase. Initially, I purchased a smaller bag. It was called Boy Wallet on a Chain. I loved the style. It was very convenient, but I realized that it was a little too small for me. When I put my iPhone inside, glasses and sunglasses, I really didn't have enough room for my keys for the car, so I decided to do an exchange. And I exchanged for a little larger purse. So the Boy Wallet on a Chain was $2,700. I decided to go to Chanel store and exchange. It was very easy because it was within 30 days of my original purchase. So the other purse, the one which I purchased, it's easy carry. The price was $3,900. I purchased this in Honolulu, Hawaii, in Ala Moana shopping center. And here in Honolulu, our tax rate is a little lower actually than other parts of the country. So it's 4.7%. So this purse was $3,900. This is my first Chanel bag. I am really excited about. So I'm keeping it in a box in my Chanel bag. So here's the purse. The color is really dark navy blue. It looks almost black. Very convenient in style. And here it is inside. Very roomy. There's enough room for my wallet, sunglasses, reading glasses, key. So there's a registration card inside with a number. And I am very happy about my purchase. And here it is.